What's up, world? Chris Lancaster here, MyLawMarketing.com. Today I'm going to talk to you about Google My Business and your law firm, how we market, how we use all the tools and products that they offer us for free, the experience that we have with the product, and how it's one of the top 5 products you need to use if you're going for search engine optimization. All right, let's jump into it. Google My Business is it's a tool from Google that kind of evolved out of Google Plus. Google Plus tried to take on Facebook and MySpace and social media networks, and they failed pretty miserably. And what evolved out of it was, I guess they realized that businesses were really, that's their bread and butter. So what evolved out of it was Google My Business. Now Google My Business shows up in search results, and it's integrated directly into maps. So if you search a business, and it'll come up on the right hand side. I'm going to show you on the screen here exactly the way it works and how to use it well. So Google My Business is a free and easy to use tool for businesses and organizations like your law firm to manage their online presence across Google, including search and maps. We just talked about that. By verifying and editing your business information, you can both help customers find you and tell them the story of your law firm or business. Okay, so you can manage information. It shows here that businesses that add photos to the listing receive 42% more requests for driving directions on Google Maps and 35% more clicks through to their websites than businesses that don't. So what that goes to show you is that people that are involved and use this tool receive a lot more results than people that don't. Okay, so how Google My Business is displayed in search results. So I've got a couple screenshots down here I'm going to show you. One is, they're all clients of mine, so Rivera Law LLC, you can see here. And a couple things I want to point out here is the products that are integrated into Google My Business that are pretty new. I think maybe in the last month they kind of just popped up. One is Post. Right here is the Post. It's a lot like Facebook Post or Twitter tweets or whatever, but you create the post or we create the post for you, and then they show up under Google My Business under the contact information and the address and your local information, your local business information. So you can see them right here. There's the post that we've created that get integrated. Down below that a little bit, you can go to MyLawMarketing.com and go to our blog. You'll find this post, Google My Business and your law firm, and I have screenshots on there that you can look at and really see what's going on here. But so this screenshot is of the backside of Google My Business, where you can edit your business information, your hours, your website contact information, and all that stuff. As you can see here, like they have your business hours, and then underneath that they have add special hours, which would be holidays and things like that. So that's where you would do that. Underneath that is the photos and the videos section. Yep, you can upload photos of your business, photos of your employees, photos of your assistants, your paralegals, your staff, and yourself, of course. And you can upload 30-second clips. So what we do is we actually shoot a lot longer videos for the client, or the client gets a videographer to shoot the videos, and then we cut them into 30-second clips that are really helpful. We post them in there, because the more we educate and the more information we can give people, the more we build rapport. So like my mantra is visibility, credibility, and authority. You get the visibility, you build your credibility with the information, and then you become the authority in the space. People trust you. They got the rapport. Before they even pick up the phone, they know you're the law firm that they want to talk to. So that's photos and videos, and underneath that's the photo section, and the post sections underneath that. You can see the post we build out here for Vincent Rivera. There's 3 different ones. They last about 7 days, and then they kind of fade off. But the posts are super, super important because you control that information. So say you focus on DUI, DWI, you focus on drug defense, something like that, or you focus on family law. You can drop information in there about what you've done recently, like what certification you received, wins in court, wins in trials, things like that. You can drop that right in there, and it just personalizes the information that you send out to the client. So that's really cool. And now I'm going to jump from the screenshots on my website over to search results of some of the clients here. Okay, so here you can see on the left-hand side, we've got the admin section of Google My Business. I can edit info, create posts, photos, respond to reviews, or create ads right there. within the search result page because I'm the admin. The public doesn't see that. So this says here 707 views over the last 28 days of Google My Business for Vincent. So let's see here. On the right-hand side, we've got Vincent, photos of him. We've got Google Maps, and we've got the outside of the business. And under that, we've got all the contact information and location information because Google really wants people to know 100% of what they're getting involved in and what they're getting uh, it wants to take any mystery out of what your business represents because that's what people want. They want comfort of knowing. So we've got address, we've got hours and phone underneath. You can set a specific appointment URL. So if it's not just your website, you can set an appointment URL that might go to your calendar, like a Microsoft Calendar or Google Calendar. You can put that right in there in the appointments. Underneath that, you can see where his posts are. That's the post we created. Underneath that, we've got Q&A. I'm going to open up the Q&A. So you can see here, ask a question. So as anybody in the public, I want to ask Vincent Rivera a specific question without calling him or emailing him. I can do it right here. And then the admin can respond to these Q&A from their side of Google My Business. So I'm going to open that. See, here's the questions. Do you offer free consultation? What does a trial lawyer do? Should I use a trial lawyer? And then you can see right here that they've got information from Rivera Law posted here to answer those questions. Another quick tip that we've realized is that people, when they have some kind of problem, say they have a traffic ticket, they'll actually look up the court and they'll see the Q&A and they'll ask the court the question. The court's not going to answer. So as a lawyer, you can get really creative there and you can answer, and you could use that as a marketing tool to pick up clients. So that's a really good one. Let's see, I'm just running through them real quick. Underneath the questions and answers is the Google reviews, and then there's a little bit of information right there from Rivera Law that you can control as well. See, we do all this for our clients because we know how important this is. Like the stats said, 48% more people click through. And also another thing is Google is going to favor you over a business that doesn't use this. So it's best to use this. Organic search is the creme de la creme of like the best you can get. You can buy ads, this, that, and the other, but like organic search has legs, it lasts, and it pays off huge. It's got the best return of investment of anything out there, radio, TV by far, and pay-per-click ads, even Facebook. So we are the search engine optimization experts. We've been doing this for 5+ years just for law firms, and we know what we're doing because we obsessively do this every single day, right? And by we, I mean me. So let's move on. I'm going to show you the Watt Law Firm. The Watt Law Firm is a client of mine for the last 4 years, and this is how he comes up in search results over here. You don't see the admin part, and I did that on purpose because this is what the public would see. So you got the Watt Law Firm over here on the right. You've got a map directly to the business. They can click through that and get driving directions or walking directions or whatever they want. Underneath that is a photo of the outside of the business so they can see where they're going to park, where they're going to walk into the business, things like that. See where it says Watt Law Firm LLC right here? Underneath that, you notice he has 103 Google reviews, 5 stars. 5 stars across the board, which is incredible. And we've actually created a 5-star tool for him to make this a lot easier for him. And we do that for all our clients as well. So contact me and I'll tell you how. Or you know what? Why don't you just work with us and I'll make one for you? Okay, so you can see all the 5-star reviews here, which is really incredible. And they're very credible because they link to Google accounts, Gmail accounts, or Google Plus accounts, right? So that's the 103 5 stars. Underneath that's all his business information, his hours, his address, his phone number. Underneath that is questions and answers. Underneath that is more reviews. And you can click view all Google reviews and they come up here. And underneath that, they've got information we put in there from the Watt Law Firm. Now, on the left-hand side of Google search results, you can see his website comes up first right here, second, third. This one is Grand Rapids, Michigan, and my client's in Kansas City, so that's not him. But Avo, 5 stars. Yelp, 5 stars. Facebook, that's not his Facebook, I'm sorry. Super Lawyers, that's him, Watt Law Firm, Kansas City, Missouri. And then underneath that, Greg Watt, Why You Need a Trial Attorney. So out of 10 results, he's covering 8 of them, and then 2 people with the same business name as him in other parts of the country come up. So you can see where he's like completely dominating for his keywords and other practice area keywords, something like 600 keywords. So Google My Business has definitely been a really big part of that. Okay, so I'm going to jump into this tab. You can see the Watt Law Firm information on the left here, and then you can see them on the map, right? So more of that information is here. The photos are here. The reviews are here. All that information's there. So that's Google My Business. We're going to do some more deep dives on Google My Business in the future, but I think that's good enough for us now, so I'm going to wrap it up. Thanks for your time. My name's Chris Lancaster, 818-397-5468, or you can email me, Chris at MyLawMarketing.com, and I look forward to talking to you. Let's take the market. Let's dominate and be great. Have a great day.